DDP와 이케아가 함께하는 지속가능한 환경을 위한 가구리폼 워크숍입니다. 자, 그럼 이케아 인테리어 총괄 디자이너 안톤 호그비스님을 모시겠습니다. 박수 부탁드립니다.
And more things. We at IKEA, we have an ambition that we want to inspire and enable more than 1 billion people by 2030 to live a more healthy and sustainable life on this planet. And it's about how can we help customers prolong the life of their furniture. And also, are there ways that you can protect your furniture to make them last for longer? Or can you personalize the products to make them last longer? So that you want to keep them longer, and that's what we're going to do in the workshop today. So what we have is we have a chair called 봐야하는. That's really creative.
Hey, 안녕하세요.
Hey, what a great workshop.
Yes, today we met a lot of people.
And they were very creative in reforming our products.
And I hope that we actually contribute to the sustainability for the many people with this workshop.
Maybe they are inspired so they can go home now and they can look at something they wanted to throw away but they maybe can decide to keep.
Yeah, and then now they understand the furniture can live a long life like we do.
Exactly. Here's to sustainability.
Woo!